Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find and delete spam messages on Messenger. So here I'm already on the Messenger apps, and first I'm going to show you how you find the spam. You can click on the three lines icon at the top left corner, and in here you can tap on this message request, and you can see there is the spam message. So you can just click on spam. You can see I get lots of spam messages, and if you want to delete it, you can just click on edit at the top, click on the three dots icon, select all, then click on this trash icon, so trash bin icon, click on that, delete, and click on delete again. And just like that, now the spam will be deleted. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.